guys, it's Tommy here at Raw Blend. It's finally summer here in Australia, so today I'm making a beautiful summer days smoothie bowl in the Ascent 3500 model. I'm using all beautiful, fresh, seasonal produce today to make this smoothie bowl, so I hope you enjoy it. Let's get blending. So to make a smoothie bowl, you want a basic ratio of 1 part liquid to 1 part frozen ingredients. So for my frozen ingredients, I'm using some mango. I'm also going to put in a little bit of ice in there. We're going to put in 1 cup of coconut water. And I've also got some beautiful peach here as well. That's going to go perfectly with the mango. I love mango. It's a really low calorie fruit. It's also high in fiber and high in vitamins A and C. So very, very good for you. Now I want a green smoothie bowl. So I'm going to put in some spinach, a nice big handful of spinach there, and a little bit of mint, beautiful summer freshness, and I think that's pretty good. I'm going to lock our lid into place. If I need to add any more frozen, I'm going to add some ice, or any more liquid, I'll add a bit of coconut water. I'll just see how I go with my recipe once I start blending. So let's get that up onto high speed, away we go. Just about 30 seconds or so, and I've got this beautiful thick consistency, not like a smoothie, not like an ice cream, just in between. It's exactly how we want it. Try some of that. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful, with the mango and the freshness of the peach, the beautiful flavor of the mint. We're going to serve that up now. We've got all this beautiful fruit here to garnish it. We'll make some smoothie art. Happy blending.